everyone. Sorry about that. Let's see my screen. My name is Archangel Beloved 33. We have some messages for you. Give me one quick second. Don't know now. I'm using my computer. Finally got myself a computer, guys. So would give my undivided attention. One second. It's close. There, 1 second. All right. How y'all doing? Good? All right. The reading here. I was saging earlier, so just give me a second. Saw it in a minute. I'm waiting for Archangel Raphael right now. Okay. No problem. Okay, 301. Okay. Oh shoot. It's coming real quick. I tell you right now, this is reading for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You may be taking a minute to get ready to do something despicable. I heard despicable me. Heavy emphasis on the orange ray at this time as our greetings. My name is Archangel Raphael. At this time, there will be a massive healing shift based off of your genetic ET structure, as some of you will be forced with a crystalline grid to protect your greatest Oshun and Asharian divine life grid and soul purpose. If you are these grand water trines of throne of gold of 144,000, you would know that it's been very stagnant for a lot of you to complete your journey because you have not been listening to your ancestors, including me. Now there'll be more thrust in justified behavior, even though the unjust, which may likely be you, as a grand water trine. You are now obligated by the Galactic Federation and will be ran by that for your own safety and well-being. For the parents that didn't tell you this, it's for a reason. And yes, chaos, yes. Mayhem, no mercy, because of some things that has happened. And what had happened was my brother, Archangel Michael the First, came down to assist a lot of ones talking about royal lineage and ones of the royal roots and from the new beginning. Most of you have already cursed your destiny. Most of you will be saved because of divine life grid. And if you have this and the 1%, you should understand that. And therefore, whether like it or not, Yeshua Jesus Christ consciousness will prevail to lift up the planet. It doesn't matter to Gaia whether or not you heal. You will heed Archangel Raphael's warning. End of message. That channeling ended at 5:35. 5:35 or 8:8 should be significant. At 7, 8, 9, so 98 will also be significant. Cancer. I'm getting that someone in your friend circle is about to have a sleep hurt happening. When things like had a whole heart attack or convention fit, okay, this is due to some. You want to know the truth? Well, I guess Archangel Uriel with the red ray has to be more brazen in this one, in regards to some unjust behavior of your own insecurities. Archangel Raphael is not playing either, and Archangel Michael is also putting more emphasis on your 7th chakra. It's also in regards to violating a lot of free will, part of the 144. There's been some spiritual lockages and blockages in your financial security. As far as Scorpio and your Mars sector, you're going to have some problems with your third eye for some of you. Cursed destiny will also be very significant, as some of you were chosen star seeds. Archangel Michael also, staff of Moses, and someone tampered with your Akashic records. There was a supernatural force known as the 13th Zodiac, which flipped everything on its ass, backwards. Well, fast forward, but backwards again. Like, over and over again. Like, moss. Like, you stepped in some swamp, muddy, sewery plant water, moss. Or Morse code. Possibly wasn't listening to one of your ancestors. Pisces, what I'm getting here is a Two of Cups situation that was, if not is, happening. But what's going to happen is some of you that are not on your divine life grid or just got there, thank you, you have some late ones, late bloomers, every instance on the moon, that some toxic environments maybe need to come to clergy, man. Possibly dealing with ancestors from the Galactic Federation, or also one of their co-workers from the Galactic Federation that face some ill-begotten gains in your luxury homes. Heavy emphasis on homes, crystalline grid, DNA structure, and breaking curses. That means that back in the day, if it wasn't for us knowing that we were forced into war, we would have never known we were ETs from the beginning. 2019 till now. So, because we're moving forward, motion, baby. Imagine what's happening and what was warned about, but who am I projecting and who with Death Wish? Possibly done with the third Christ consciousness, Jesus Christ consciousness. Also, Messiahs, fairies, fallacies. If you had wings in your past, your back may hurt. Purging through emotions. Some of you that have that type of seers. Most of you guys, it's time for that truth to come out too, because a lot of ET children will also know about the witch trials, your lineage. Come on. Which no one wants to speak about because it's embarrassing, and you tell your mother that, it's like, this is Jesus died for our sins, and this will consider to be a fallen angel. Well, I'm here to tell you that my ancestors, as far as my left and my right, are right here. And I'm telling you, Pisces, if you don't believe it now, well, get coming to you, and happy birthday. I told you. Watch your mouth. No, but manners. Minding your own business, but your credit debit card, and press enter in your central time zone. If that makes sense. Anyways, my name is Archangel Love 33. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you on my next channeling message based off of your lack of discernment. Okay, but based off of your transmutation of energies. All right.